We have a question here. During Christmas, Funke, Tobi, and Simi received 15,000 naira from their uncle. They shared the money in the ratio of their ages, 1:2:3. How much did each child receive? Solution. Now, to calculate how much each child received, in the question, we have that Funke ratio Tobi ratio Simi. The ratio is 1:2:3. That means Funke has 1, Tobi 2, Simi 3 as the ratio. The total ratio is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's equals to 6. That's the total ratio. The amount to share is 15,000 naira. To now calculate how much each of them or each of the child received, the first child there, Funke Funke share is going to be a ratio which is 1 over the total ratio 6 times the amount to be shared, which is 1 times 6 goes here 1, 6 in 15. That will give us 2,500. That's 2,500 naira. Funke received 2,500. Then Tobi share is going to be Tobi ratio, which is 2 over total ratio 6 times 15,000, which is 2, 6 in 15,000. That's 2,500, and that's 2 times 2,500 is 5,000 naira. That means Tobi share is 5,000 naira. Then the third one there, which is Simi ratio is 3 over the total ratio 6 times 15,000, 3 times 2,500. This is 3 times 2,500. It's going to give us 7,500. That means Simi received 7,500. So we have calculated how much each of the child received. Funke received 2,500, Tobi received 5,000, and Simi received 7,500. Ṣó le? Kò le.